Hey everyone, this video is about the critique of the science article, The Contrasting Roles of Science and Technology in Environmental Challenges by Nicholas Volvolis and Mark A. Bergman. The critique paper is divided into several sections: the introduction, the abstract, the wider science and technology convergence, the distinct role of science and technology, the environmental technology as problem solving, and the discussion. Analysis mentioned in this video is only partial. For the full analysis, please see the attached file. The title of the paper pertains to the contrasting roles of science and technology, but as I have observed, the paper gives highlight to the breed of the new professionals or environmental technologists. So the title should tell you what the paper is all about. As to the abstract, the author was able to make it short and informative, but in my point of view, the abstract is kind of hard to understand. The introduction focuses on the problems encountered by environmental science and the people. It gives the reader an idea that environmental issue is the least problem by humans. The environmental gap between the humans and the science greatly affects how the people act on environmental problems, which in turn cause distrust to scientists. Examples also were given in the introduction, giving highlight on the points of the paper. It helps the reader understand what the message is all about. The introduction is well written, but it would be better if it talks about what the title is all about. In this section, the author wanted to tell the people the convergence of science and technology. It is mentioned on how or when it started, that follows such as how diverse science is and that there is an emergence of applied science. This section was able to deliver what it meant to the readers. However, there are sentences that needs references to avoid plagiarism. It is mentioned in the critique papers, so please see the attached file. In this section, environmental technology is highlighted. The transition from the other sections up to this point is smooth and related to each other so far. It is best to say that this section is well delivered. The steps of this paper, from the intro to the last section before the discussion, had been well written. It shows the background of the two important matters in creating a new profession and how and when did the need of these technologies arise. It is of great importance that the readers understand it well from the specific view to the larger scale of what the paper wanted to tell the audience. In this section, points are well discussed from science and technology to the thought of environmental technology. Science cannot stand alone, and so is technology. These two goes hand in hand, since science is the source of technology, and technology is the application of science. Hence, environmental technology would serve as a bridge to the gap between science and society.